The theme of this workshop has to do with how we think about the nation state and about some of the concepts that are associated with it. Citizenship, territoriality and territorial control, political community.
My first time in the Middle East, so to talk about the geography. I am an African who has lived in Africa, Europe and North America. So that the workshop was taking place in the Middle East for me was a very positive attraction. Then the topic itself, because I work on migration, securitization of migration and the global justice of migration. So the topic basically is at the heart of what I do.
The kind of purpose of the workshop was to kind of critically look at some of the understandings of the nation state that we have and kind of questioning it as a kind of unquestioned starting point for both empirical research, social science research, but also for normative questions about what we want our world to look like.
I really like being exposed to different traditions of thinking, but also different disciplines. So having philosophers, but also architects and media scientists coming together, I found really enriching and something that you do not always find at conferences.